Hello there, wonderful viewers! Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to make big text in Discord. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. This will work on any text channel and any platform of Discord, including the web version, the mobile app, and so on, so it doesn't matter if you are using the mobile app or if you are on your computer. The first step is to open up Discord. Then navigate to any text box or message box like this. It can be a conversation with your friends or a text channel. In order to make our text big, you need to enter a hashtag mark. Then a space, and after that you can start typing your text, so make sure that you have the hashtag first. Then click on your spacebar one time. After you do those two steps, start typing and send your message. When the message is sent, it will be big and bold. It was pretty quick and easy, and that's how you can send big text on Discord. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.